Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two popular photo management tools, Photoprism and Immich. Let's see which one works best for you in 2025. Photoprism is open source and runs on your own server or PC. It uses AI to tag and find photos like recognizing faces, places, and objects. It's very private. You keep all your photos on your own device. Some downsides. People say it can be slow or crash with large photo libraries. It does not have a good mobile app, so you can't easily upload from your phone. Image is never and fast. It has automatic photo uploads from phones and great mobile apps. Users say it's much faster and more stable than Photoprism. Excellent at duplicates, organizing by date, albums, and portrait indexes. But it is still changing and may have breaking updates, so you need to watch for new versions. Final verdict. Choose Photoprism if you want a private AI powered tool and don't mind slower performance or no mobile uploads. Choose Image if you need fast performance, phone uploads, and stable organization, but be ready to update it often. Both tools are solid. Pick the one that fits your needs. Let me know in the comments which one you like. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.